In this video, I'll show you how to check if someone read your message on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, just look at this screen, right? You can see I reached out to this team with the ticket to write, and I got a response. Glad to be here. Hi, how can we help? So the only way to know if someone read your message or someone has seen your message is for you to reach out, right? Discord doesn't have read receipts, unlike WhatsApp, Facebook, and any other social medias, Instagram, and all of them. The only way you can know if someone has read your message on Discord is through a reply, right? So a whole lot of people won't tell you that, but that is basically the only truth. You want to know if someone has checked your message or has read your message. The only way you can know if you have gotten a reply from them, right? So that is basically the only way. So I hope this video helps out. The very first thing you need to do, you need to reach out. You need to ask questions politely, right? If you open a ticket, right, or if you head over to a chat, let me see, if you head over to a chat or something like that, right, you can just be like, you need to be like, be kind, you need to be honest, right? So if I head over to, let me say, somewhere like okay, let me see, if I head over to this chat, right, I can just come on here, I'll scroll down, I'll come on here and be like, okay, you can see, okay, the last scene of this people just, that's I think yesterday. So the only way you can know if someone has read your message is if you get a reply from any of them. So that is the basic truth. You need to reach out first, you need to get a reply. So if you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope this video helped out. I'll see you all in the very next.